entire pay for the vending machine to get this soda. So what should I do to get the vending machine right now? I know what to do. I'm going to destroy the vending machine with my hammer. Yes, I destroyed the vending machine with my hammer. Yes, I destroyed the vending machine with my hammer. Yes, I destroyed the vending machine with my hammer. Yes, I destroyed the vending machine with my hammer. Yes, I destroyed the vending machine with my hammer. Yes, I destroyed the vending machine with my hammer. Now, time to trick it. Oh heck no. It's preservative.
The BND logo. I saw the footage on the security card that you broke the machine with your hammer. Did you?
Well, you're very mad.
Tell me the truth right now, or else.
Fine, you call me. I broke the vending machine because I'm tired paying for it.
The BND logo. How do you break the vending machine with your hammer? That's it. You're suspended for 39 days. Get out. The BND logo. I can't believe you broke the vending machine with your hammer. You know you can't do that. You get arrested for this. I think so you had to pay $30 to repeal the vending machine. That's it. You are grounded for 4 weeks. Go to bed now.